Hey you guys, this is Nishitha and welcome back to my channel. What is up? I just woke up a couple of minutes back and I decided that I wanted to have a self-care day today because I've been working too hard and I thought I deserve some pamper time, some me time, and that is exactly what we're going to be doing today. So currently the time is 7:30 in the morning and I am just here sunbathing because I love sunbathing. I feel like it gives me a lot of energy. So sunlight is my number one energy giver. While I sunbath, I also thought I'll do like a little meditation sesh. And I'm somebody who cannot just meditate quietly. It is just impossible for me. So there's this one YouTube channel that I follow. It's called Live the Life You Want, and they have some amazing pre-guided meditation videos, and that is exactly what I do.
Begin by taking 3 deep inhalations, filling your lungs completely, and as you exhale, imagine breathing out all the anxiety and tension you've been holding on to. So now breathing in deeply and fully, filling your lungs with air, and exhale, breathing out.
I just got done with the meditation session and it is so calming. I absolutely love this channel, man. They have like 10-minute, 15-minute meditation sessions and you feel so calm and relaxed at the end of it, and that's exactly how I'm feeling right now. So I think I'll just go get some breakfast now and then we'll plan out the day. So I have my morning water and a fresh bowl of fruit right here. So I'm just gonna finish this and what do I really want to do today? And ignore the noise in the background. My washing machine is running. So yeah, probably I want to go to a grocery store because I find it so therapeutic and I absolutely love getting lost in a grocery store. It's like the most interesting activity for me. So probably I'm going to do that and get some new snacks. It's been a long time that I went and checked out snack section. So probably I'm going to go and check out if they have any new snacks. And then I'm just gonna be home. I'm gonna do a face mask because what is self-care without skincare, right? So we're just gonna be doing a face mask once I finish eating food. I have some new products that came in the mail, so I'm just gonna try them out and then I'll take a shower and then we'll go to the grocery shop and just have some fun. Guys, do you know what time it is? It is face mask time, my most favorite one. Now recently Wow Skin Science sent me their vitamin C range and I was so excited when I saw the face mask because I am somebody who loves trying out different face masks and it is just like a beautiful therapy to my skin, which I love doing. I love pampering my skin, if you guys know. So I'm super excited to be trying their vitamin C clay face mask today. It looks super fancy. Now the packaging, I just peeped in to see and it is so cute. So this is the mask. How cute is the packaging, right? And also the best part is it comes with a spatula with which you can apply mask on your face. Now this is something that I would give extra 10 points to because not every mask comes with a spatula, so I'm very happy with this one. Another thing that I'm super excited about is that this mask has bentonite clay, which is basically volcanic ash clay that draws out impurities and boosts circulation in your skin. Now bentonite clay is supposed to be one of the best clays that you can use in your face mask out there, so I'm very excited to be trying this one out. Before we try it out, what do? We use our fancy hairband. Who said you cannot look cute while you mask? Who said that? Ask them to get this hairband and they're sorted. As you all know, vitamin C helps revive your dull complexion and add radiance. So all these products by Wow Skin Science in the vitamin C range have vitamin C, witch hazel, hyaluronic acid that help fade pigmentation, fights signs of aging, bought on by free radicals and brighten and nourish your skin, which is amazing. It also helps you improve your skin's luminosity and delivers hydration to revive dull and tired skin. It also helps you improve the skin texture and appearance by giving it a fresh and bright look. The texture of this mask is super creamy, so it's very easy to layer it on your face, and oh my god, this smells amazing. So this also has an anti-aging effect that helps to diminish fine lines, aid spots, and also even out complexion, all thanks to the vitamin C that this has. Wow man, my skin feels so fresh and glowy and nice and bright. In case you want to purchase this product, you can use my coupon code Nishitha Mallur on their official website and get a flat 30% off. And in case you want to test the authenticity of the product, you just have to flip the box over and you will find a QR code that you can scan to check if the product is authentic or not. So if you guys want to try the vitamin C clay mask from Wow Skin Science, I'm going to leave the links to this product in the description box below. So make sure you check it out. And I think now it's the time that I go take a long, lazy shower and I will get ready and then see you on the other side. Hey you guys, I just got ready and we are headed to the supermarket right now. I'm so excited to go to the supermarket. I don't know if it's just me or if you are somebody like me who loves going to the supermarket, who just likes walking in the aisles. Let me know in the comment section below. It is so much fun, dude, like seeing new stuff, getting new stuff. I am planning on getting like some snacks so that I can binge Netflix in the night. I just want to relax. And another reason why I'm going to the supermarket is because I'll get some body movement. You know, just walking in those aisles is gonna increase my step count, so that's one of the reasons why, that's one of the other reasons why I'm going to the supermarket. So yeah, let's get to the supermarket, let's get some yummy stuff, and then I'll see you guys. Also, just wanted to pop in here and say I wore a dress which makes me feel super pretty. So yeah, if you are feeling low, then I would give the suggestion to you guys: wear something that makes you feel good, makes you feel pretty. You will start to feel absolutely amazing in just like a second. Try it out and let me know. Alright you guys, I just got back home and have the entire bag of snacks with me. So I got like a mixture of both healthy and unhealthy snacks. I'm guilty, I got like quite a lot of unhealthy snacks, but that's okay. Today's like self-care day. I can do anything that makes me feel good, so I'm just going to eat in moderation, so that is the key always. Let me start off with a mini grocery haul, mini snack haul if I may say. So first off, let me start with the healthy stuff that we have. The first one is this one from Tong Garden. This is paprika pumpkin seeds. Absolutely love this. This is so crunchy, so yummy, just a perfect evening snack. I think I got one more of that. Yeah, the same paprika pumpkin seeds. Then we have my most favorite green juice ever. So this is the lean from Raw Pressery. I'm afraid they did not mention, I think they've changed their packaging. Usually all their ingredients are mentioned here, but I don't see it anymore. Let me check. So they have apple, they have cucumber, they have kiwi, they have kale, they have mint, they have spirulina, I hope I'm pronouncing that right, and they have some lemon juice, and that's all. So green juice, healthy. Then we have some tender coconut water. I've no clue, I've never tried this before, but summers are here, more hydration baby, so that's why I got this. I think basically those are all the healthy snacks that I got. Moving on to the unhealthy stuff, I have 2 Kinder Joys here. So this looks different, the packaging looks different. In fact, this is called Kinder Creamy. Never tried this, just wanted to give it a try and see how this tastes. So got it. And then we have some crackers. Now this is the Jerry crackers in the coconut variant. I've tried this before, but I literally forgot how it tastes, and they did not have the original sugar crackers with cream cheese, so I settled for this. Then we have some ice cream. Now I got ice cream for the entire fam, so that's why you'll be seeing many cups, but trust me, I'm not going to eat the entire thing. This is for the fam as well. So we have 1, 2, 3 variants. So I have 2 of this. One is for me and one is for my brother. This is the Trixie cookie. This is basically cookies and cream from Quality Walls. So got 2 of these. Then this is for my mum. This is the Desi Kulfi from Quality Walls again. And then this is for my grandparents. So this is Tender Coconut, Quality Walls again. So that's about the ice cream. I think we're almost done except for this one. So this is some candy that I got from Chupa Chups. This is called Chupa Chups. This is soft and chewy mixed fruit flavor candy. I've tried this before. Let me try it out now. I absolutely love how chewy this is. So this is how it looks. So cute, right? Yum, yum, yum. So now the plan is...
A few moments later.
Alright, I'm done chewing. So now I'm going to change into my comfy clothes and then watch a movie. I've heard a lot about this movie called Soul. Like, people say it's very heartwarming, and that is exactly what I want to watch right now. So I'm gonna settle down with some snacks and then watch the movie and then probably go to bed. That is the plan for today. Thanks for coming along with me on my self-care day. I hope you guys had fun watching it. I definitely had a very good day. So yeah, that's about it. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, follow me on my Instagram. I will see you super soon in my next video. Until then, bye.